Hi, for new users of VocaQuest, I'm gonna show you the differences of the questions that we have for each level. Of course, A1 is the lowest level, and C2 here, right here, that's the highest level. The length of the questions are really different. So let's take a look at A1. Let's choose shopping and choosing clothes.
Hello,
take all that.
welcome. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Great. What size do you need?
Yeah, so if you notice the questions, they're very easy, short, and most students would be able to respond to these questions. Let's take a look at another level. Let's try A2. Okay, the same topic. Where's that? Shopping, choosing clothes.
Hello, welcome to our store. Are you looking for anything today?
I'm looking for a red shirt. Okay, let's try the answer.
Great. We have red shirts. What is your size?
See the difference? Just moving to A2 makes the question a little bit complex, though it's still very similar to A1. Let's try B1. Here we go.
Hello, welcome to our store. Are you looking for anything special today, or would you like to browse our new collection?
Interesting, right? The question is totally different from the questions that were asked in A1 and A2. I'll try to answer this one. Hang on. What do you have in store today?
We have a great selection of casual wear and formal outfits for the season. Are you looking for something specific, or perhaps a new jacket or pair of trousers to try on?
Nice questions that come from AI. You can actually check the button right here. Take a look at this one. Oopsie, here. So you get here the recommendations, and then here, if you don't know what to say, you can actually check the recommended sentence and then you can follow that one. I would suggest that if your level is like maybe B2, maybe try B1, so you'll be able to get used to using sentences and the words that you learned in the same app before trying more complex questions. And talking about more complex questions, let's take a look at B2 over here. Okay, let's see the question.
Welcome to our boutique.
Ooh.
I am here to help you find the perfect fit today. Are you looking for anything in particular, or would you like me to show you our latest arrivals in your size?
Now, this is a very nice question. Look at that. The question, in the question, it used the word boutique. Quite difficult for those ones at the beginner level. So if you're B2, this one would be a very good challenge. So I'm gonna answer it. Okay. Can you show me your latest arrivals? I'm medium. Oh, hang on.
Of course. We've just received some fantastic new pieces. To make sure I pick the right options for you, could you let me know what size you typically wear, or perhaps you'd prefer to try on a few different sizes to see how the brand's fit works for you?
I usually wear shirts in medium size.
That's helpful. Medium is a great starting point, though our cuts can sometimes be a bit more tailored. Why don't you pick out a few styles you like, and I'll direct you to our fitting rooms? Would you like me to check the inventory for any other sizes just in case you want to compare the fit?
So if you take a look at the questions, the choice of questions for B2, it's much longer, and it provides you some sort of challenge to deal with. Let's compare that one to C2. What question would AI ask me?
Good afternoon.
Oh,
Welcome to
wow.
our boutique. I am delighted to assist you today. Are you perusing our collection for a specific occasion, or perhaps looking for something versatile to elevate your current wardrobe? If anything catches your eye, please don't hesitate to let me know. Semicolon. I'd be more than happy to facilitate a fitting so we can ensure the silhouette and drape meet your exact expectations.
If you take a look at this question, like, it's a lot to process. So if you still have difficulty with C2 vocab, it would be advisable to like maybe do C1 or maybe B2. Let's check the question here. It asks if I'm looking for like a specific a collection for a specific situation, or maybe something to update my wardrobe. Okay, let me answer this one. Actually, I'm looking for some pieces from Prada's summer collection.
I see. Please, do continue eyeing pieces from our latest seasonal collection, or perhaps a particular designer you're fond of. Once we've narrowed down your preferences, I can guide you to our fitting suites. It's paramount that we assess how the garment contours to your frame, as the cut can vary significantly between brands. What specific style or aesthetic are you aiming to curate today?
I'm actually looking for pieces from Prada's summer collection.
An exquisite choice. Semicolon. The Prada summer collection is renowned for its structural fluidity.
See
and
how
avant-garde
the
silhouettes.
questions
Given the
try
brand's
to
penchant for precise
challenge
tailoring, size consistency
your
can be rather
English level.
idiosyncratic. To
It
ensure we
would be
find the
a
perfect
very
fit,
good
can you enlighten
thing
me as to
to
whether you
consider
typically lean towards a
when
more
you
structured, tailored
are
aesthetic or
someone
a
who
relaxed,
wants to
oversized
improve
drape?
his or her
Once we establish
English
your
very well.
sizing
So
baseline, I
go
shall
ahead and
retrieve your
download
new
that app.
selections